Hey viewers, in this video we can see how to create structural tower model using standard, default Revit families what we have. And in my next video we can learn how to create the customized Revit family. For example, here we need pedestal and creating this one as a structural steel section instead of concrete. This and all we need to create new family. And one more thing here, here we can create C section, and this risers and threads we can use customized profile. So these things and all we can learn in my next video. If you want to go for my next video, you can click this Autodesk Revit tutorial and you can see that videos. And this video will be useful for the who are going to learn from the scratch about the structural tower. And now I am going to start. Go to new, project. I'm going to use structural template. Okay. And in this, first we need to set the units. It is in feet and fractional only. And next to that, grids. In architectural, you can see grids. Before that, we can make sure that we are in the level 1. And copy and make sure it is in the multiple. And again grid. Copy. Now go for the dimension, DI. This should be 15 and this should be 15. This should be 20 feet. And this has to be 1. This should be AB. Now grids are created, and next to this, levels. Go to any elevations. I'm going to south. This is the default levels created by Revit. We need to create new levels also. This I am going to keep top of grade 0, 0. Next to this, top of concrete pad for stair. This elevation has to be 4 inches height. Next to that, top of pedestal. This has to be 1 feet 2 inches. And For the visibility is making too easy, I am going to scale down. Now the next level we are going to create. Landing 1 for stair, and copy this 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will be the top of platform. So landing 1 should be 6 feet 2, landing 2 14 feet 11, landing 3 25 5, landing 4 34 2, landing 5 42 11, and top of platform 52 10. This has to be moved up. Now the levels are created, and next to this, here the plans. In this plan, whatever the default was there, only that has created, and we need to create for these levels also the structural plan we need to create. So for that, go to view and plans, structural plan, select all. Landing 1 is created, to floor plan, structural plan, landing 2, okay. Now all plan has every plan we have created, and go to the top of grade. We are just going to create one grade for our reference only. Go to structural, floor, select anyone, just for entirely for our reference only. There is nothing, and make sure that you are in the top of grade. This we can hide it. Go and see here. Go to elevation. Make sure where we have created, and it is here. And next to that, we are going to place the column. Column has to be from the top of pedestal and till the top of platform. So now we are going to top of pedestal, and in this, for now we can use architectural column, and in my next video, as I already told, we can see how to create the structural steel column. Now go S and column, and here we need to check it before placing the column. It should be in the height until where we are going to place it. The top level, top of platform. Right. Architectural. Yeah, it is in top of platform, and here I'm not getting the option. Okay, we can see that later. For now we can place it here. I'm using 12 inch. Here we are not able to see this, and go to V, enter. Here architecture and column. Again go to top of pedestal. Make it always fine so that we can able to visible this. Now we can place beams at landing top of platform. Here we can place the beams. Here this grids are not visible, so check any other than northeast. See, we have here, so this we need to take it to pull up. Now come to platform. Now it is visible. Now I'm going to place the beams. Go to structure, beam. Always we need to use from the structure only. Since we don't have the family, I used for column from here to this one. So now beams, and here the make sure you are in the right plan elevator top of platform, and make sure this is, if this is a chain, then it will be easy to make this. And keep it in fine visibility. Now we have created this one. Go to elevation. We need 6 inches here top of concrete. This concrete will come above this, and it will be in this level. So select all, go to 3D. Yes, A for select all, and you can find option here, set value here minus 6 inches. So now it has come down, and again go to platform, structure and floors. If any 6 inches, we have 6 inches complete. Select rectangle. Make it okay, and come to elevation. Now we have that here the beam is there, here the concrete is there. Sorry. Next to this, we can add the stairs. Stairs will start from the top of pedestal. So now in this top of pedestal, we need to create before creating the stair, the pedestal we need to, sorry, not pedestal, pad, top of concrete pad. This pad we need to create for resting this stair. So I am going to create this later also. This you can fix it by creating reference plane. For example, if this wanted to start from here only, something like constraint, then we can create the any reference plane and create something like 6 inches and align with reference plane to this. Now we can constrain giving dimension here. If you want 3 feet 6 inches or 4 feet, so we can use to constrain like this. How many reference plane you want, we can use it for constraining purpose. And I'm going to start that stairs. Now it is in top of concrete pad, and go to architecture and stair by component. And when we are starting stairs, we have to make sure from which level to which level we need. So we need from the top of concrete pad, from there to till top of platform. This is the important one. Second one, the risers, riser height and tread depth. This we need to cross verify. I am going to keep it 7 inches by 11 inches. And third one, here location line, I am going to keep it center, offset 0, and actual stair width will I am going to make it 3 feet, and automatic landing I am going to use it. That's all, and we can start. Here I need 10 risers. By clicking this, we can see here how many risers are we have. In this 11 we have, I need only 10. So I have reduced it. Now it is 10. So I can move this little bit. And both I am going to move it. You can use arrow for selecting and moving it. And again go inside the stairs, select run, and if you move the cursor we can identify this. Once if it is highlighted, then you can start continuing stair. Then it will automatically create the landing here. If you want to increase the landing, you can do like this. You can just drag. So here we need 10 and it has come. Here I need 15 tracers. 14 has come. Okay, now 15 is created, and again select the run. Now I need to move it to front and select this point and drag it. Again select the point. Now select this and the arrow key. If you want to constrain, make it reference plane. As I already told, give the dimension and align with this to this. Here I need 18 tracers. Now 20. Now I have 18. Here I need 15. Again landing. Here I need 17 tracers, 89. Totally we need to reach 90 risers. When we are reaching 90, then we are reaching the top of platform. If we are still going above that, then it will show like this 90 plus 1. That means we are already reached the top of platform. So, and for landing purpose here I am going to add one more. Later we will delete this. I'm going to delete. Now style is completed. It is not visible. Again the same thing. Go and check the stairs in model category. Stairs. Now stairs are done. Now railing also we can see what is default railing has come. This is on default one. Later in my next video, as I already told, this I can change it to, I can tell how to change this C profile, and this we can see in my next videos. For now I am going to hide the railing. Now we can make column support for our landing. So now here we don't need to landing 2 and go for the beam. Choose lesser one. For now I am using this one. Later we will say create the family and we will add it. Make sure it is in chain. There is one more option, beam system, that we can see later. And since this is visible is just line, so we have to change the visibility setting to fine shader. Now we have created this one, and we need for another in this 3 and 4 5. I'm just any okay, and 3. Landing 5. Now we have created for all levels, and now we can see how to create bracings. This go to any landing or any level and go to view and elevations. We can see under create tab we can see elevations, click that, and framing elevations, select that, and which grid we are going to place bracings, that one we have to select, and just we have to confirm which side we need, which elevation we need. I'm going to select like this, and I have got this one, and select this one, and we have come here and go for structure and brace, and first before that make it fine and shaded. Now we can use from here to this, and from here and again here. Let's see in 3D view. Now we have created all those things. So the similar way we can do for the in this elevation, and this elevation, and this elevation. And for creating railing above this one, we can go for the top of platform, go to architecture, railing, sketch path, and select this rectangle. View. It has come. So this we will check it in the next video, how to change the custom railing, custom stairs, and custom column family, and creating your pedestal. Thanks viewers for watching this video. Please hit like and share if you really got the information from this video. Thank you.